Yeah, hi guys. I'm just gonna upload another video from when we were in the Cook Islands, guys. We went to the beach, okay? We had no swimming stuff. We just went there for a ride. And all of a sudden, Baywatch came into my system, and I hopped into the water, and we had a swim. That's what happened that day. So have a watch, guys. I hope you like it. Leave me a comment. That'll be choice. Thank you very much. Pātui for what? Super brown. Yeah. That opens 24 hours, guys. You can buy some food and alcohol and ice cream. They give you big scoops too. So it's yum, yum, yum. Yeah, any food is yum yum to me. There's the Maria Resort. Washimoida. And, oh, these are nice little bungalows right there. Oh man. Okay. A bit bright out there, huh? Look at that. Someone started building really thin wood. Look at this little bungalow here. Doesn't look like anyone's living in it. Watch out for the motorbike. I don't know if I got it properly though. Anyway, we should have it in the old pictures that we got before. Yeah, I've got it in my old pictures. I'm going underneath the forest. There's the cafe. A guy from Aitutaki started that. He started in Aitutaki and then his dad told him to come to Rarotonga and open up a bigger store for him. That's how he became, he got his one over there. See, that's why it's good to have land in Aitutaki and in Rarotonga or anywhere else, so you can move around the island. Sorry about the lumpy dumpy recording, guys. The driver and the road's fault, not mine. It's a lovely day. So lovely that after my shower I started sweating all over again. Ay, ay, ay. You guys see this? It was a 20 zone for the school area. Us in Australia is 40 speed zone, but over there is 20. I didn't even see a school. Was there a school? There was? Oh, okay. What are they building over there? Okay, bushes. There's a dairy and a takeaway. Oh, it's not even open. That's right. It's Sunday today, guys. So if you guys see it's pretty empty, that's because everyone's gone to church. Okay? Don't judge me. What's this? But there's no one, no church, no people there. Oh, probably combined, or they already had church and gone home. Oh yeah, I don't know what this is. This is not a church. There's always something happening there, eh? Oh, they must be cleaning up here now. Rani's Bar and Villa. So 10 slow. You go 10. Look at their their man-made sign. Ooh, the road is getting fixed, guys. So you gotta take it easy on your wheels. Oh wait. Man, if I was pregnant, oh, I'm getting into labor soon. Oi, oi, oi. Aye. Oh, look at all those coconuts up there. Oh, you're hungry. Ouch. Oh, there's a nice house. Okay, a lonely rider. Oh, Papa. There's a Papa rider. There's a nice accommodation there. Well, we stopped here for feed the other day, eh? Caps. Tropical Sands. Oh, looks like a nice accommodation, that one. We must be a slow drivers because that taxi at the back there caught up. Oh, here's my mama there. Hi, Mama. Oh, there's a big rock there going on. See that taxi? So, it's got his foot down. Gotta watch it. Kaka there. I don't even know what they said. What did it say? Kakera. Oh, this one? Oh yeah, this is the place you can come and get a certificate for. This is a letter they say. That one. Oh, indicate. Oh, we must be slow drivers. Why is everyone speeding and making us go to the side? You know what? You better put your foot down. Put your foot down and get a ticket.
Sunrise Bungalow, East Sharon and Geneva. Down there.
Sunrise Bungalows down there. That guy's getting him some water. That dog.
Yeah, me and Sharon and Geneva stayed down there last time. Okay.
She really been after his telephone. He just wanted to give him a video, eh? Oh, look, it's a little coconuts up there. Don't know if any of you guys saw the coconuts. So it's a bit slow to. Oh, wait. Are we nearly there yet? Huh? Look at that coconut there. Oh, but sail. Steer on the road, Tangari. Otherwise, you gotta kiss the car.
Church.
Oh, yeah. There's a church. All the cars are parking over here. And down there. All the cars behind us is catching up. Just go. Doesn't matter. This is not Moody.
No, it's Captain Moko's. This is grandma.
Check for the coconuts. Watch out for the nothing. I thought it was a rock. Oh, it's open today. Yeah, it's open. Can't you see the cutlery's out? Yeah, this is... What is this again, Anna? Oh yeah, the mooring fish place where you can go and eat. And the food is really, really yummy too. I know. Because of course I had to taste it last time I was here. It's really nice around here. Yeah. So it's really nice the food. So they do open on Sunday, but they open at 12. And it's not quite 12 yet. So we can go down to Muri and what, come here and lunch? Lunch, yeah.
Is he drawing?
Probably writing down a menu. Sunday lunch. You can go. Oh, so you're too busy looking forward and you didn't see that big tick? Oh yeah, what a useless driver you are. Anyway, let's go. What a big asshole. And you didn't even see it. People going for a Sunday drive. Is this how far Moody is? Far out.
Not there yet.
I thought it was just down the road from where we are. Holy cow.
Hot ice. Watch out for the holes. Draining that's right, you're draining the thing. Make it deep. Yep.
Okay, we're here. It's a bit windy today, guys. Little bit. so it might disturb my filming. But we're here at Woody, right? So, yeah, we're here at Woody, and I think the tide is in because this is pretty close up. Look at that! How lovely! Look at this. The coconuts. The coconuts. The wind is coming from this side, right? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go around. Huh? Oh, hey, the cocoa cruise is over there. You can hear them drum. Yeah. There goes the Woody Hotel. Something that I cannot afford right now. Okay, guys. So don't judge me. There comes the Woody Hotel ride. All the way out there, guys. You hear them? What a beautiful day. I think I'll go for a swim today. Elvis has gone inside the water, guys. Elvis has left the sand and gone into the water. The couple was going for a little... Ooh, ah. No. That's the song they're singing on the boat, guys. Ooh. Ah. There's another boat behind, and they're singing the same thing. Another coconut. Okay, Mariah Carey is going into the water. Ah. Yep. Recording. I just push. Oh yeah, that's. Okay. Yeah. Don't fish
Yeah, where am I? I thought you got your candle.
I was just going to swim in there.
No, you gotta wear her. You never know.
Okay. lady. Ở đây mâu nuôi lá luôn. Mày ở đây chơi mình chắc xong xe. I brought the candles.
Buy me a new one. Buy me a new one.
Oh, nice and warm in here.
Lots of more.
Yeah. Warm. People gonna see
Better,
what
better on
I
that side. More sand.
So nice. Oh, look. Oh, oh. Oh, nice and warm.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
We should go to Armani. Armani is better.
Thank you, yeah, say it. That's not.
I mean, if you want.
Oh, you and your Stony fish.
Wait, never know.
Oh, wait. Hey. Oh, bloody hell. Thomas. What a nice water. Oh. Oh, give it, Jim. How did you guys like my swimming? Baywatch number 2. Pia, Mariana. Pia.